I'm Jay.
And I'm Nat.
And we're gonna show you how to make dal.
With minute rice. Come on, let's do it while you're drunk.
Hi, I'm me. This is our favorite camping dal recipe. It is extremely easy to make, especially with a pressure cooker, like an Instant Pot. And here's a rundown of the ingredients, so make sure you got these. We have onion, garlic, ginger, the first of the sautés, and then we have our seasonings. We have garam masala decanted into a mason jar here, turmeric, curry powder, cumin seed, and of course, salt. And then to the meat of the dish, if you will, the lentils and the tomatoes, both non-meat. And then Cholula is what we had on hand, although you can use any hot sauce for this just to give it a little bit of kick. And then the piece de resistance, the peas added at the end to keep them textured instead of mushy.
So to an Instant Pot, we're going to add coconut oil for the sautés, and then
Onions, diced up with the Yam and Slam trademark patent pending, but not by us. 6 cloves, freshly pressed garlic, and then, I don't know, a tablespoon of ginger. Maybe a little more. Heaping. I love ginger. 2 teaspoons of garam masala. 2 teaspoons of cumin. 2 teaspoons of turmeric. And I don't know, a good amount of curry powder. Probably like a tablespoon. We're making a curry after all. So 2 teaspoons of salt. And then you cook lentils, but I substitute some of the water to cook the lentils with diced tomatoes. So if you were making this on a stovetop, you'd want to use, add more water than what I'm going to add since it's an Instant Pot or a pressure cooker. Water, 1 cup. And then the real ticket is to just kind of look at the water level. Oh, sure. You can always add more at the end if the the problem is if you don't add enough water, the lentils won't fully cook, but everything else is good. The secret sauce. Give it a little kick. You just go till you think you're good.
So then we want to put it on high in the Instant Pot, the pressure cooker, for 15 minutes to cook the lentils. And then it's time for our peas de resistance. The peas, frozen peas, and we add them at the end so that they don't get mushy. And we'll stir them in, and then this is ready to go straight onto the dehydrator trays. The peas don't need to cook. So we use wax paper on our dehydrator trays, and you just want to spoon the dal onto the wax paper. You don't want to get it too thin or too thick, but it's pretty hard to mess this one up. Then we pop it in our dehydrator to dry it all out, and we will check on it tomorrow.
Oh, hello there.
Oh, hi.
I am Jay.
And I'm Jasanti.
Hi. We've been dehydrating some dal.
Overnight.
Thank you, Santi. Overnight.
Jay
You are
Santi.
correct. Yes. Do you want to check it out?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, will you look at that? So, our amazing dal has been successfully dehydrated overnight. And then we're just basically gonna crush it. Very lightly. We don't want powder. Again, we don't want powder. We don't want dal powder. And after we do that, we just put it in a box. In a box? No, in a bag. Right? We're gonna have so much fun camping. You just repeat this step over and over until you feel all of your dal in the bags. Yeah. Dal. Boom.
While you're drunk, you've got to do it while you're drunk. When you've had 10 shots and you know how it feels, and you can't find the words to express what is real, do it while you're drunk.
Let's taste it. Oh, amazing. It's definitely rehydrated and it's hot as fuck. Oh, the flavors, and it's burning my mouth. Until next week.
Yeah.